Hello, welcome to the introduction to the PMO system I've built within Smartsheet. As you can see, Smartsheet is a cloud-based project management and collaboration tool, and you can find a lot of information about it by searching Smartsheet in any web browser. Smartsheet does provide a number of templates for project management, which are useful but not bespoke, and a lot of time needs to be spent on developing these tools and linking them and building them in order to get the real outcome that is useful to any company. I have built such a tool and can use it to build you a tool by taking my base PMO system and adjusting it to your bespoke needs. This is my dashboard. It's a very simple dashboard because everybody's needs are going to be different in this area, and I will design dashboards showing the information that you want to see. You can have any sort of information you want. As you can see, there's numerical here, there's some finance, there's a table which, if there were more than one open project, would have a scroll button so that you can scroll down and look at the open projects. There's summary data. You can have this numerically, you can have it percentage, any type of statistic you wish. I've got a master stakeholder list, which again could scroll down if there was more in there, enabling you to look at the email addresses, in this case, of people you may want to contact. You can have more information on their phone numbers, anything you want. As with everything, it's totally customizable. I have got a new project authorization form on here so that people can apply to have a new project easily and simply just from this dashboard, and a list to add to the master stakeholder. I'll go through how these work when I talk about the individual elements of this system. So if we look at the dashboards and the way they're linked, we can go to this project. It has its own dashboard. And if we go in here, you can see it's quite simple here again, just a few buttons. You can put everything about the project on one dashboard if you wish. I know some people prefer to reduce the number of clicks to access any information. I prefer to insert maybe the odd click or two to separate information out and make it easier to find. But it's again down to personal likes, dislikes and needs. This again has project data for the project itself in slightly different forms to those that on the portfolio dashboard. Again, you can make it different, you can make it standard data, you can make it anything you want. And you don't have to do it in this design with the portfolio and then the project underneath it, maybe a program above the portfolio. You can do that, and you can have offshoots. You can have a dashboard that goes to just for clients to see. You can have a dashboard for executives. You can have a dashboard for any area. You can have your IT dashboard for those IT elements of the project. You can have whatever you want, and you can cross-reference them and link them in any ways you wish, and you can curate the information that goes onto them and filter it and have just the information that you want to share, and then restrict those dashboards by only granting access to those people that need to see that information. Now in here you'll see my project setup. I've got some information in here of the project members and the sign-off. I've got the dependencies, the risk log and the assumptions, because I feel that these are elements that you should be looking at the moment you have put a new project into the system. These elements should be completed. That's my opinion. It may be different to others. But of course, once you've entered this information, some areas, the risk log, the dependencies, are going to be monitored regularly. So again, in the project documents, they're there as well. They don't have to just be in one place. You can have links to your documents in any place where you think it would be useful for your project managers to access. Again, these dashboards can be bespoke to your needs, and they can contain whatever you want. There's no limit to how many links to the same sheet you can have on different dashboards, if that's what you want. And you notice each dashboard says the name of the project and the project description. If you look at that and then look back at the project list on the portfolio dashboard, you'll see that is the project we're looking at. So this is a rough design And there are still a number of documents in here which make an excellent basis for a new PMO system. These links go out to valuable, useful documents that all link together. They reduce overtyping, they reduce multiple entries. They are very well designed, and in other videos I will go through these documents in detail. I hope you'll take a look, and thank you for taking the time to look at this video. Bye.